Okay, arithmetic series. So, pag sinabing arithmetic series, it is an indicated sum of the terms of an arithmetic sequence. So, yung arithmetic sequence, lahat ng terms doon ipag-a-add natin. Okay po. So, kaya lang, pahirapan naman kung mano-mano pa. Kaya nga, meron tayo formula, dalawang formula. So, if last term is given, so kapag binigay yung last term ng isang arithmetic sequence, magagamit natin itong formula na to. We have S sub n is equals to n over 2, and then a sub 1 plus a sub n. And then, if last term is not given, kapag hindi naman yung binigay yung last term, meron pa rin tayong formula, kaya lang mahaba. We have S sub n is equals to n over 2 bracket 2a sub 1 plus n minus 1, and then the common difference. So, baka nakalimutan na si common difference. So, pag sinabing sequence, ito po yun. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and then so on. May quit. And then, kapag tinransform natin tong sequence na to into the series, lahat ng quit po, papalitan nyo lang ng plus sign. Po. So, yung plus sign means to sum. So, pagsasum natin lahat ng sequence ng arithmetic, sequence using the arithmetic series or mga formula. So, para mas maintindihan nyo po, let us have an example of arithmetic series. So, first, magbigay muna tayo ng example kapag given yung last term. Okay, so first example, we have find the sum of the first 100 natural numbers. So, pag sinabing natural numbers from 1 to 100, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, hanggang 100. So, yun po yung natural numbers. So, since binigay yung last term, which is 100, gagamitin natin yung unang formula. So, now, let us write the given. So, what is given? Okay, given natin dito is a sub 1 is 1. Kasi yun yung una. We have a sub n is equals to 100. Kasi nga, 100 yung last term natin kasi natural numbers yan, 1 to 100. And then yung n natin, yung n kung hanggang saan yung pinapahanap, 100. So, ang value ng n natin is 100. Okay po, so now, solution, we have, formula muna, we have S sub n is equals to n over 2 a sub 1 plus a sub n. Now, substitute, we have S sub 100 is equals to, n natin is 100 over 2, a sub 1 natin is 1, plus a sub n natin is 100. So, now, simplify lang na simplify. 100 divides 2, that is 50. 1 plus 100, that is 101. And then you multiply. What is 50 times 101? So that is 5,050. So the sum of the first 100 natural numbers is 5,050. Okay po. So ayan po kapag given yung last term, madali lang. So, paano naman kapag hindi given si last term? May formula pa rin naman. So, let us have an example kapag wala na siyang last term. Okay, so find the sum of the first 20 terms of the arithmetic sequence 2, 5, 8, 11, 14. So, itong sequence na to is masasabi nating arithmetic kasi meron silang common difference na 3 by subtracting. Okay po. 5 minus 2 is 3, 8 minus 5, 3 is 3, 11 minus 8 is 3, 14 minus 11 is 3. So now, let us first write the given. What is given? So first, let us identify the a sub 1. So a sub 1, which is just the first term, is 2. And then our n. So n natin, yung pinapahanap, which is 20 terms. And then our common difference. So, paano mahanap yung common difference? Subtract the second term to first term. So, 5 minus 2 is 3. 8 minus 5 is 3. 11 minus 8 is 3. 14 minus 11 is 3. So, therefore, our common difference is 3. Okay po. So, ano ba yung formula kapag hindi given si last term? So, the formula is S sub n is equals to n over 2 bracket 2a sub 1 plus n minus 1 and then our common difference. So now substitute, we have S sub 20 is equals to 20 over 2 and then 2 times a sub 1 natin is 2 plus n natin is 20 minus 1 and then our common difference is 3. Okay po. So now simplify. 20 divides 2, that is 10. 2 times 2 is 4 plus 20 minus 1, that is 19 times 3. So now, simplify ulit. Simplify nang simplify. We have 10. And then 4 plus 19 times 3. What is 19 times 3? So that is 57. And then add. Add nyo yun na sa loob ng bracket. We have 4 plus 57. So 58, 59, 60, 61. So we have 61. And then, multiply. So same line yan as parenthesis. 10 times 61. So that is 610. So the sum of the first 20 terms of this given arithmetic sequence is 610. Okay po. So, ganyan lang po kadali ang arithmetic series. Kapag hindi given si last term, ito po yung gagamitin yung formula. Pero kapag given si last term, napakadali, yung maikling formula lang. So, thank you for watching. So, next is geometric sequence na.